Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, October 17th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY, and what turned out as a promising day turned into absolute garbage after the initial balance. We do not take out the IB. This is 3 times now in the past 5 weeks. It only happens between, I don't know, maybe 5 to 7 times a year. Well, this is 3 times in the last 5 weeks now. Neither does Russell. They don't take out either the IB high or low. Qs did take out their IB high a couple of times. E, I, J, M. We all end with wide POCs. 12 wide for Qs, 12 wide for us. Again, we don't count N. That's the after hours. And Russell 12 wide. Afternoon pullback in H in Russell, H in SPY, G and H were poor in ES. They go out with a pullback. ES also has a poor high on the day. SPY does not. Very tedious day. I did not take a trade after E, but thank goodness I had a good morning A through E. We'll go over that in a minute. We had an inside day today. All three of us traded inside of Friday's range. So again, the daily is still balanced. The weekly is down and the monthly is still down. Both sides are going to claim victory. We didn't trade below half back today. Basically, after D, we didn't trade into the lower distribution at all. So the buyers are going to say we played in the upper distribution from Friday, and the sellers are going to say, well, you couldn't even take out Friday's high, and you had trouble at the 20-day moving average, which we went back and forth through all day. Again, I don't care which side we closed at it. One day doesn't make a market. Just doesn't. It'll be more important if we're able to take out Friday's high and go up on the daily, put the weekly back into balance, and stay above the 20. That would be important. Or if we can't take out Friday's high and we roll over and we just almost got to a balance high on the daily. Remember, it's a big balance. It's a $22 balance, and it's a balance over 3, 6, 7 days. So again, that's going to be important tomorrow. If we can't take out today's high and go get Friday's high, and we take out today's low, well, now the question has to be asked, is that all we wanted to do, get close to a balance high and roll over? We'll show you the lower highs again when we get to the chart. So believe it or not, in A period, I actually took a short right before the market opened because we were opening in single prints. I did not think this set of single prints would get filled that easily. Obviously, that was wrong. I took a one lot, and I was immediately out about $500-$600. But as the momentum built, I was like, okay, they're going to go get them because these algorithms become heat-seeking missiles. I went long. I bought 5. I went 5 mini, so I covered the one short, so I was long 4 mini to slam into those single print fills. Beautiful. Made all my money back and more from that one short I had. Then twice I scalped longs again in A. Once to go get the highest accepted price from Friday, and another one when we pulled back and the momentum was all to the upside. Same thing in B. I long B on a pullback with the ebb and flow trade. Did it again in C. And then my last trade of the day was in E. When E, C and D went down, couldn't get the IB low. Once E started going up, looked like it was going to pop the one-time framing, took the long to pop it. And then that was it. We traded sideways, really, within a $1.50 range all afternoon. Very, very tedious, to say the least. As far as destinations, on the upside in SPY, we have the point of control. Now, we're trading above it now, but they had us closing below where it was. So 366.90 is 12 wide. That would be our POC. And then today's high, 367.98. And you should have the other ones from Friday. For the downside, afternoon pullback low, which is H's low of 365.91, and today's low of 363.97. For ES, afternoon pullback low is 81.25, which was G and H's low, which is poor. 61.50 is today's low. The upside is 91.25, 12 wide, and today's high of 02.50, which is also a poor high. And then, just quickly, on the charts. So, again, nothing's changed in the monthly. Monthly's down, the weekly's down. The daily. Now, I forgot to change it again. The daily low today is, what did I just give you? 363.97. They're showing on Schwab 357.28. That might have been their overnight low, but I am going to change that after this video. Or at least tomorrow morning I will change it if it's still there. They're also showing it on the, oh no, they're not showing it on the weekly. They changed it, they were. So I will change it on the daily. It is an inside day. We battled the 20 numerous times. It is a 7-day balance. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.